everybody, my name is Julisse Tinocco. I am a 4th year student at SVA BFA Animation, and I'm here to show you around our departments. Let's go! Here is our tour of our BFA Animation facilities on the 5th floor, 382nd Avenue. Keycard access, so only our students can access the floor. Over here you'll see a bulletin board where students can post thesis promotion, other voice acting positions, and things like that. And here is our production office. Hi, Mark.
Hey, how you doing?
Good, how about you?
Good.
So I'm just telling everyone about our production office. What can we get from here?
You can get any of the equipment that you would need to use the facilities. Pens, headphones, microphones, cameras for stop motion,
Laptops, Cintiqs, books, just about anything. This is our main hub. We also post little polls just to interact with the community. And then I'll show you our first lab. We have little cubbies for the underclassmen for when they're working on paper animation, as well as little lockers for their staff. This is our digital compositing room. SVA provides students with all types of software, including the Adobe Suite, Toon Boom Harmony, and TV Paint Animation. And during free time, students can come here and finish their homework. Any other time, there will be classes run here teaching students about said programs. And sometimes we draw on the whiteboard. These are all thesis characters upcoming for this next showcase. Our department also offers courses in stop motion, whether it's puppet making, actual animation, just about anything with creation. So this is some of our student work as well as some of our faculties. Professors often use these bulletin boards to display work from different drawing classes, animation workshops, character design classes. These are 2 little sound labs. Students can come here to record some rough audio for their films. There's mics, soundproofing, and it's pretty quiet today, so it's a good day for recording. All the posters you see along the way have either SVA alumni have worked on them or have been visitors of SVA, so some of them are actually signed. This is one of the animation studios. This is a hybrid lab, meaning that you can work digitally and traditionally. So you can have your Cintiq or your animation disc and easily replace them. All of our labs also have mirrors so that students can use as reference whenever drawing or animating. It's pretty helpful. Once you reach your 3rd year at SVA, you'll be here. This is our 3rd year workshop classroom. You'll work on some more rigorous assignments, films, and collaborative films. I call these the techie keyboards because they're much louder than all the other Mac ones. It's a fun time. But this is all a lot of upperclassmen stuff, things that you'll experience later on in your SVA. So I want to show you the pencil test room, where freshmen spend most of their days and nights working. Just down the hall. Here students can animate and shoot their paper animation using these rigs. Oh, hi, Mark.
Hi, I'm back.
What you working on?
I'm just testing out our pencil test machine. The usual pitch. This is a series of drawings that a lot of people will be doing traditional animation in their first year. So sequence of drawings. Shooting it here on the camera, just like old school Disney style, and hoping for the best. Actually,
That looks pretty good. Awesome. Time to share the last lab. Thanks, Mark. That's actually Mark's office. You can always check in on him every now and then. This is our management office. This is Phil. He's our systems administrator. Hi, Phil. See you around. And finally, this is our thesis lab, which is mislabeled. It's my lab now. We keep a lot of sticky notes and drawings of our thesis characters just to keep up morale. We have a wonderful view of 3rd Ave and 2nd Avenue. It's very atmospheric. This is where you'll be your final year at SVA, working on your thesis film, that one big project at the end of your 4 years. This is my station. This is where I've been working the past few weeks. Very excited to finish my thesis film. I'm very excited for all of you to learn more about SVA. Thanks for coming with me.